In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, I am Sayyid Wasim Mehraj Gilani, teacher Government SSA Primary School Kunal Bala, Zone Mawar. Today I am going to teach class 5th primary, subject mathematics. Today our topic is boxes and sketches, dated 20th of July 2020. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Tatyo bachcho, aaj is chapter number 9 karun using as U3 uk doyum chapter cho, unit test 3rd uk doyum chapter cho, goidnyuk maklo as otra boxes and sketches. Boxes gay dab yim to dab wuchan chu mithai dab chis ana ya to chu aaj is mukhtalif qisman hind mew dab gar ana is ana dachi dab gar is ana Imas olchi dab, gilas dab gar, ya be ka cheez yusan daban maz pack karit asan cho. Sketches go khak dunch to chu wucha agar te dukanas per isu gamit to wuchu mithai wailis asan dab banait magar tem shir asan wait it dab ke agar su gode thai dab it kan banait agar su gode thai dab it kan banait dukanas maz to wuchu temis ratan dab variyah joy yitha to az garan maz te wuchan chu az gar as gaman ma wucha ambir bapir yim zar ambir hinaz koop karan ch tuman tum gat pet gat dab asan tum shin gode to wait it asan ke agar tum gode wait it thavan tum ratan variyah joy ise to hos khaka banait pet or asa banait su gat so asan it kan double fold kere pad sa dukan padim sathi bapir ambir barnawan ch ish tat pet khola tat pet wata tat chun kunjai pewan kyul lagun ke to te asno ta ye wuchmit athi mutalik ch az parun ya chapter mans sweet box ichu mithai dab kya cho mithai dab ichu lakud dab asan yani ag yuta as mithai as ane ichu duk sweet welis ni gasa mithai welis ni gasan badrus mans agar as hatich as mithai nin sudi hat ko yuta duti dab it mans hatich mithai wad agar as sas wad as ane tel so bod dab dewan. Ulfat went to buy sweets. Ulfat gai mithai anne khatir. Ulfat gai mithai anne khatir. The shopkeeper took a paper cut out and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. Dukandaran ko jaldi yusan kakus yusan kakus setet os yusan or banait os dab imuk danch banait os evot em jaldi yos pink color the atmas baran mithai dukandaran ko jaldi use mis cut paper ait os yat dabu khak os banait any dab os banait magar waitet os na em bano em vot jaldi the banon at khoobsurat dab ak pink color the atmas baran mithai. Look at the photo and make your own box. To iti wuchu yat photo was kun pad banawi ethai kan to iti dab. To wuchu yat nimon ik yat chasa clip page banait yinimon yokut igo yal. Yem anchat clip page banait yat masum clip phasa inimon yokut igo dab yal. Yem aduk trawon yem aduk trawon hokun right side uk trawon right side left side zan petim igas ho say big side skun to it kan ilisi dab share trawon pat wucho is iket kan chi dab weighted osmot dab ket kan asli of em ket kan vote how fast can you fold it to wucho to kota jaldi hikyo to at fold keret to hikyo ni jaldi fold keret ke kya to chuni et kan em dab fold kermit ke magar yas sweet welis is gaso yas this is gaso use man daban hus kam as kara dab is packing as kara such as jaldi dab niwan banait or cha asa dab sketch banait khak banait to nakshi banait to pat is dab chi dukandar watan pat to daba chu toiti liye mithai dab anu toiti khol ja gar pat jo toiti kwa itez band keret is hakoni tu tez band keret kin yut ye dukandar hek band keret kya em cha asa sat variya kam karmat em cha asa experience gamats after ithai karan chuto yel to gar mehnat kariu sawal do try kariu do yaad kariu toiti baniu expert toiti rojo yaad kya ach yuta insan try kar tuta insan perfect banan After coming home, Ulfat unfolded the box and she removed the extra flaps so the cutout looked like this. Em kar kam yeli ay gar. Em kya se kar kam Ulfat ay. Em khol ye dab gari. Kya kholun? Gari unfold go. What on? Unfolded go kholun. Em kholi Ulfatan ye dab gari. And removed the extra flaps so to cut out looked like this. Em code em etkan. User extra asat. Yem side was ye extra. Yem side was ye allow. Yem side was ye allow. Em try at line. Dapun yem side is yahan nimbiyat setet. Yem side is yahan allow inimbiyat setet. Yem side is yahan allow inimbiyat setet. Yem side is yahan allow inimbiyat setet. This shape makes a box. Let me see what other shapes will make a box. Bas which ke em boxes et kus shakal hek bawa banay. The LME cool ibaya youth which is dapa yikit kanasa yimsad bur idabu atkum ko mukhtalif shakal hek bawa banay. Atkum this shape makes a box. This shape ich banawa dab. Let me see what other shapes will make a box. Wuj ba ke be kusku shape heko banayit. Yem set is box heko banayit. She made 4 shapes. Em banay 4 shape A, B, C, D. Each is to be folded along the dotted lines. With the prathkash dapa yas yapar dotted lines try dapa yapar karun fold. Yani yipiron yokun fold. Yikaron yokun fold. Yipiron yokun fold. Yipiron yokun fold. Theek sha? Pachim ithakan B part banomut. Itkan yish karon yikun charun karun yapar fold. Yish karon yapar fold. Yimch lach line fold. Yish karon yapar fold. Yish karon yapar fold. Ithakan yach yikaron yokun fold. Yanun yish karon yokun. Yish karon yorkun. Yish karon yorkun pechu si dakna. Theek sha? Ye karon yokun fold. Yish karon yokun fold. Yish karon yorkun fold. Yish strawun dakna. Pachuana toye you have to find out which of these can be made into a box. Toshu waron yimo mas kat bani box. Which is a gobrio. Yat A parts yat yi watun go oxide. Pach yi watun goes back side. Yichus watun goes back side. Yi watun goes back side. You goes pet dakna. A is bani kat bani A kat bani A bani box. Which the yat waton yukun e etkan. Yes, your ye pat, your yes ye pat, your yes ye pat, your chim lucked. Arch varia cut carrot. You see varia cut and muscle at by the bocus came. But choice here. It's B part, it's C part. Yachi Ikaros cut, you cut anos yokun, yanos yokun, inimbos yorkun, yanos yorkun, but I sides over, it goes better. Dakna. Go A as the bind bocus, C as the bind bocus. Mucho DS. DS agar you go side, side. Ye meduk side chin yat ki you gaya stop go yat by the box ke tele bucha is box cut banya box banya A as the C as cut out as A, B and C can be folded along the dotted lines to make a box. A as C as pasas dotted line and petty what on athas banya box A as the C as B as banya ke kya yach varia laket his kerit yach ye man dotted line ye man dotted line aman by the barabar side is kehi added side lucket added bird at by the box kehi CS by the box DS by the oxide ke atmas by the box ke uttingo gobrio az baki wasalam Allah hafiz.